now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Unofficial Suneet Saxena. This is Suneet and I'm here at the Harley Davidson showroom. So guys, as you can see, 1002 is the number of Harley Davidsons which have been booked from this showroom, and ours would be amongst the first 100.
Located near the Hero Honda Chowk in Gurgaon, Capital Harley Davidson is one of the largest Harley showrooms in India. This is a 10-year-old showroom. It's the 15th of October and I am back from my trip from Shimla just yesterday, and I'm here to pick my Harley.
नागेश जी, कैसे हैं? हाँ, आ रही है? कहाँ है वो?
In the showroom, they have lined up all the Harley Davidson X440 top variant models. So this is the first lot which has arrived in this showroom, and we are ready to pick our delivery.
Hello everyone, welcome to Unofficial Suneet Saxena. This is Suneet. We are at the Harley Davidson showroom. We are about to take our delivery today. Today is the day where I get my bike and I'll take her home. So this is Capital Harley Davidson and this is located in Gurgaon.
Apart from the bike, Harley Davidson has its own ecosystem which constitutes shirts, jackets, protective gear and whatnot. And that too, everything available in the showroom itself. However, it's expensive. So as we waited in the lounge for our bike, the paperwork had started. So as you know, when you buy a bike, there is a lot of paperwork and a lot of signatures to kind of make. We kept signing and 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 this never-ending process was completed in around 20 minutes, and then we moved towards our bike.
Hello everyone, welcome to Unofficial Suneet Saxena. This is Suneet and here's my Harley. This has been a long wait, but worth the wait. We are gonna unveil this now. Here we go.
First of all, let me tell you, the thump is amazing. The kind of sound which these guys have kind of managed to produce, that too using a single cylinder engine, is just amazing and just Harley Davidson. Secondly, the kind of acceleration which we saw in this bike, it's amazing. I mean, you won't even realize when you are 40, and the next moment you might be running at 80 kilometers an hour. So sit tight and enjoy the ride.
बृहस्पति ददातु मया पृथिव्यां वयोतिदितो वयोदिव्यान्तरिक्षे वोरया मया श्रीमती प्रतिभा सन्तु मयं महाविष्णु राजवसि विष्णु सनेततो विष्णु शिवरसि विष्णुतमसि विष्णुमति वा अग्निदेवता वातो देवता सूर्यो देवता चन्द्रमा देवता वसवो देवता रुद्रा देवता आदित्या देवता अंशो देवता विश्वदेव देवता बृहस्पति देवतेन्द्रो देवता।
ये QR कोड आप स्कैन करें, एक मोबाइल ऐप आएगी उसको।
नहीं, मोबाइल ऐप तो पड़ा हुआ है
HD कनेक्ट।
हाँ। ठीक है, ये तो हो गया।
जी
2797 रुपये हैं सर आपके। जी
So the first service is supposed to happen either after 500 kilometers or when you complete a month of riding. And this thing costed, as you heard, around 2700, which includes oil filters, engine oil, and a few more stuff. The labor cost for the first service is kind of free.
इसमें एक्सेसरीज कौन कौन सी लगी? अच्छा,
इंजन गार्ड,
ओके,
ये
सेंटर स्टैंड। यार इसमें किक कहाँ होती है? किक होती नहीं, अगर बंद हो गई तो मतलब ऑटो स्टार्ट नहीं हुई?
उसको स्टार्ट नहीं हुई तो फिर आप मैकेनिक को करो,
फिर मैकेनिक को
पे कॉल करो।
अच्छा,
फिर ट्रक पे लोड करके बाइक को दो। बेसिक अगर बाकी सब कुछ ठीक है और मतलब बैटरी डाउन है तो आप जैसे धक्का लगा के कर सकते हैं। मतलब चांस होते हैं स्टार्ट होने के।